In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on, and download free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Then select OK, tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. To continue, go into Tab menu. Use this icon of a pen at the bottom right corner and look for Caffeine shortcut to add it to your current ones. Just hold it, place it and let go. Then go back and click on your new shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!